Hi, everyone. I'm Diane Dixon, also known as She Prompts, my YouTube channel, and She Prompts JA on other platforms. I'm a content creator, marketer, and writer specializing in teaching small and micro businesses how to leverage certain AI tools to streamline workflows and improve productivity. Welcome to my Essentials of Leonardo AI for Business course. Now, Leonardo is known as a powerful text to image suite of tools that businesses can use to ideate and generate brand images for their content or products. This platform has a vast array of models and presets designed to bring your visions to life. Businesses I've trained to use the platform find it easy to use and are surprised at the high quality images they can generate with Leonardo for their brand. It's a staple in my tech stack of AI tools as I use it to create still and motion images for video and written content. This course is for small businesses, content creators, freelancers, basically anyone who wants to leverage the power of AI to create quality content for their brand and marketing purposes without the threat of copyright. In this course, you'll learn the different ways to generate images in Leonardo AI, the different models, presets, and modes available, how to create photorealistic images, how to create consistent characters for your storytelling projects, how to edit images in Leonardo, whether they are generated on the platform or not, a couple of practical uses for social media management and AI video generation. While it's not required, it's a good idea to have a free Leonardo AI account so that you can play around with the platform. Click the link below to get your free account. Now, speaking of settings, Leonardo updated the platform while I was creating this course. Let's get to know those changes before we get started. Now, when we're in Leonardo, when we first log in, you'll see that this is up here, it's legacy mode. So this will show us the interface that I've been working with for a while now, which is basically the number of images, totally real. And this is the standard, or what it was considered standard interface for Leonardo. Now, when we take off legacy mode, it will take a minute, and then it'll kick into what is known, what is now the new image generation or the interface. It's a little different because now it's based on intent rather than a particular model. So, for example, let's take a look at what this is. These are the presets that it asks you first for. So, for example, you wanted to do anime, if you want to do cinematic, if you want to actually do a portrait, or this is what would be, the photorealism. These three are more photorealistic, and this one as well as the four are the photorealistic ones. But do you want something more cinematic, or do you want something more of a portrait? So you get to choose what your intent is from the beginning, because what happens is that this intent dictates the models you get access to. Here's an example. Say I want to do anime. So now we have the preset style of anime background, flat, general, and all the others, right? So when we go down here and go into advanced settings, we see that we have diffusion, anime XL is the default for anime. And then we have vision, albedo, and all the others. However, if we wanted to choose, for example, lifelike vision, so we wanted to do something photorealistic, Leonardo Vision now becomes the default. Leonardo Vision is great for photorealism, and we'll discuss that in another lecture. But you see lightning, anime is in there, but it's not the default. And then you have Kino and all the others. So again, you'll see here, checkmark is for Leonardo Vision, so it will automatically create images using Leonardo Vision. You'll also have access to, again, the presets are going to be different. So for this one, we're going to have a 3D render, bokeh, a cinematic close-up. For the anime, you'll have anime general, as I mentioned, with flat and the monochrome. For the illustrative, albedo base is a fine-tuned model that's more for gaming character creation. It's got that kind of illustrative quality to it. So illustration is the preset style here. And we also have anime general, dynamic, mood, and all the others. But you will see that the presets in this new interface, the presets and the models defaults change according to that. Another difference is that you have generation mode. Of course, you get to choose between fast or quality. Of course, fast, the quality is still pretty good, but it doesn't quite. At fast, the quality is good, but you get more generations. The quality choice is that you get higher quality images, but it may take a little bit longer to generate. And I know that with these, here they say that they have 8 up to 8. However, I have yet to see anybody really do beyond 4. And I think they don't really show much about 8, but they cut it off at 4. So in this case, you can do up to 4 images. Of course, you can choose the image dimensions from the get-go, and you can choose small, medium, and large. For example, when you choose fast generation mode, the sizes are smaller. The smaller one is 888 by 888, and then the largest 1024 squared. However, if you choose quality, it goes up. So you have 1110 is the small square, and then you have the 1792 is the larger square. So there are just a few different changes, but again, it's more about what your intent for this generation or for your image generation is, and then it will go ahead and give you the options of how you want it to fine tune, which models you want it to use and everything.